Hey there, welcome back to Coding Stuff, and this is first part of our Instag app. And in this video we'll start off the things. Okay, so first of all we need to connect our app to the Firebase. So I have created a new project and I have named it as Instag. So we'll connect this app to the Firebase. First of all, in our Firebase we need to create new project. So click on add project and let's name it as Instag blog app. Hit on continue. Click on save, accept the guidelines, and it will create project for us. Till then we'll click on these tools and Firebase, and we'll add the Firebase authentication. So click on add Firebase authentication to your app and accept changes. So dependency set up correctly. Okay, so new project has been created. Now I will hit on the connect to Firebase, and then I will select this Instag blog app. So now click on connect. So it is connected now. We'll enable the authentication. So click on authentication and get started. Email and password, will be using this authentication, so enable it, save. So it has been enabled. Now we'll just close our Chrome. Okay, so first thing we need a splash screen. So before that I need to add two colors in our resource. So click on resource, values, and inside the colors just duplicate this line and we'll name it as orange, and the hex code will be F6 7D and 48. Again we'll duplicate this line also, and name will be dark blue, and the hex code will be 152 capital C and 4 capital E. Okay, so this one. Now I'll just close this. So first of all we'll create a splash screen. So for that click on your package name and new activity, select empty activity, and let's name it as a splash activity. So we will set the background of this activity as a dark blue, and we'll grab one text view over here. We'll constraint it, and let's just use app name over here, and the text color will be white. So text color, this will be white, and the text size or text style will be bold, and the text size will be 60 sp or 50 sp. Okay, 50 sp is cool. Now we need one drawable, so click on drawable, new vector set, and we'll search for camera here. So we'll select this camera, click on OK. We need it in the white color, click on next and finish. So we need to add image over here, and we'll select this camera, constraint it horizontal in parent, and it will be 50 dp, and height also 50 dp, or let's just increase it to the 60 dp. Cool. So we'll put it over here, and I will just constrain this to the top and just to the camera. So this will be 32, or maybe just we'll be decreasing it to 16, and we can put it a little bit down. Okay, so 8dp is cool. So this is our splash screen, and we'll just add handler here. So handler equals to new handler, and then handler dot post delay new runnable, and over here we'll just start the activity. So start activity new intent from this activity to main activity. So splash activity this comma main activity dot class, and we'll hit finish here. And over here we have to pass another parameter, that is the duration. So we'll pass it to 1000 milliseconds, so that is 2 seconds. And in our manifest we need to cut this intent filter from here, and we need to paste it in splash activity. Okay, so now we'll test our app, our splash screen is working or not. So I have connected my device. I'll hit on the run button, and you can see splash screen for 2 seconds, and then main activity open. So we need to change background of this main activity. So background, and we'll add white color over here. And one thing we need to do, we have to hide the action bar. So just right here no action bar, and that will work. So let's run again. Oh, so you have seen that action bar is not invisible till now, so we'll work on it later. Okay, so now we need to design our sign up activity. So for that I will click on the package and new activity. I'll select empty activity, and let's just name it as a sign up activity. Okay, so let me show you the design that we'll be implementing. So this is the login screen and sign up screen, then setup profile, main page, and comment screen. So first we'll design the sign up screen. So this image I have downloaded from freepik.com, and I have added the attribution in the description box. So if you want to use same image, you can check out and add credits to them. Okay, so we need text view and this image. Okay, so I'll just copy this image and I will paste it in our drawable folder, and I will select one image over here, and that's sign up image. And we also need the text view. So text view, we'll constrain it and just add the new string value, sign up. And let's just change the color of the text. So text color, this will be orange, and the text style, text size, let me just check in Adobe XD. So 35 sp, and the text style should be bold. Cool. So we'll put it over here, and we'll just constrain this to the top. Maybe 32. Okay, and we'll constrain this horizontal in parent and to the sign up text. So this will be 32. Now we need to edit text. So search for edit text and plain text. Sorry, we'll select email here. So email text, constrain it horizontal in parent, and we'll need another edit text for password. So over here, constraint it horizontal in parent, and let's just change its ID. So this will be, let's just name it as sign up email, and this will be sign up pass. Width will be match constraint, and this will be match constraint too. Let's just add margin horizontal, 20 dp, to both, or maybe 30 dp. Nice. Okay, so now we need to add background tint here. So we'll select orange color, and to this also background tint will be orange. Okay, now we need to constrain this to the top. We'll decrease this to 64. Or maybe we'll just increase this to 654. Okay, so we'll add hint to both edit text. So just search for hint, add string value, and this will be enter email. Add string value, and this will be enter password. So enter your password. Okay, so now we just need button. So just drag button over here, constrain it, and let's just increase. Let me check in Adobe. So 302 and 42. So this will be 302 dp, and height will be 42 dp. We need to change the background of this button. So background tint will be dark blue, and text size, text style should be bold. And text should be sign up. So we already have the sign up. Okay, okay, so let's just put it a little bit up and constrain it 54. Okay, now we need one text view, so I will just drag one text view over here, constrain it, or let me just increase the height of this button, so 45 dp. Okay, cool. So the text will be already registered. Sign in, and we'll need to change this ID also. So this will be sign in text, and we need to change the text color of this. So text color, this will be orange. Text size, let me just check in Adobe XD. So 19 sp, or maybe we can just increase this to 20 sp. Okay, cool. So now we need to constrain this to the top, and let's just make it 32 dp. and this button ID will be sign up button. Okay, so already did. So that's it for the design. Now we'll jump to sign up activity and we'll collect all these widgets. So first of all, we'll have to edit text. So private edit text, let's just name it as email sign up and pass sign up, and then we have the button, so private button. Okay, so now we'll require the Firebase authentication. So for that, private Firebase auth, let's name it as auth. So we need to initialize our authentication, so Firebase auth dot get instance, and we'll collect all the IDs for widgets. So email sign up, so first of all we'll implement the sign in text. So just write sign in text dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and we just have to start the activity. So start activity, new intent, and from this activity, so sign up activity dot this, and to the login activity we'll create it dot class, and we'll just write finish over here, or we can just remove this finish because user should come back from the login activity to sign up activity. So click on the package and activity, select empty activity, and let's just name it as a login activity or maybe sign in activity. Okay, so now we need to change this login activity to sign in activity. Okay, so that's it for the sign in text. Now we'll implement the authentication. So for that, sign up button dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and here we'll collect those email and password. So string email, email sign up dot get text dot to string, and then we have string pass sign up dot get text dot to string, and now we can check if these both are not empty. So email dot is empty or pass is not empty, else we can display one toast, please enter email and password. Okay, so if email and password is not empty, then we can proceed. So we need to write auth dot create user with email and password, and here we have to pass two string. So first will be the email and another will be the pass. Then we can add on complete listener to this. So add on complete listener, new on complete listener. Here we'll check if the task is successful, else we can display one toast, that will be task dot get exception dot get message, and we'll put semicolon over here. So if the task is successful, means if it has created the new user with email and password, then we'll send the user to login activity. So start activity, new intent, and here we'll pass sign up activity dot this to sign in activity dot class, and we can just finish over here. Okay, so that's it for the registration. Now we'll jump to main activity, and here we'll initialize the auth. So private Firebase auth, let's just name it as Firebase auth. Firebase auth equals to Firebase auth dot get instance, and in this class we can just override on start method. So as soon as our app has been installed, splash screen will display for 2 seconds, then it will navigate him to the main activity. But in main activity we need to check if user is logged in or not. If the user is not logged in, we'll send him to the login page, or for now, for the testing purpose, we'll send him to the sign up page. Okay, so over here we need to create one Firebase user, so let's name it as a current user, and auth dot get current user will check if current user is not null or equals to null. If it is null, then start activity, new intent, we'll send him to the login activity. So main activity dot this to sign up activity dot class. We'll change this later, and just write here finish, else it could stay here. So now we'll click on this run button and we'll test our app. Okay, so we need to fix this. So we need to fix that action bar, and we have to change the background of this activity also. So let me just do that. So activity sign up, and over here we can just add background color white, and we'll fix that action bar in the next video. Also we need to change the text hint color. So just search for here for hint, and the hint color, this should be, search for darker gray. So darker gray. Okay, so this one, click on OK, and also we need to change this one. So same, search for darker gray. Okay, so we have changed the hint color. Now we need to do one more thing. In our edit text, we need to change the text color to the black, and this one also. So text color will be black. Okay, so also we need to change the text color of this to the white. So text color white, and let's just increase the height to 48. Okay, so now it is quite good. And also we need to do something in our sign in activity layout. Activity sign in, here we got. Let's just change its background to white, and let's just add any dummy text for now for testing purpose. Okay, also we'll change the text color of this because this can mess up. We have set the background to the white and it has no default color, so let's just provide text color to the black. Okay, so let's just test our app. So click on the run button. So it has been installed. So let's use any email here. So codingstuff070@gmail.com. so codingstuff070 is Instagram ID. If you want to follow, you can do so. And let me just write here password coding123 and hit on sign up button, and you can see it has navigate us to the login activity. So I will just close this. So this is working fine. In the next video we'll implement this login activity. We'll just delete this text too. So that's it. Do subscribe for more tutorials, and thank you for watching.